Put it in your front. Yan, go.
Okay, take off your slippers and your shoes.
Yan, go. Take off po. Take off.
Ayan.
Okay lang.
Galing.
And then next, face at the back.
Oh, face kay Ate Jess. Face doon kay
Face at the
Toby.
back. At kung nakikinig ang mga kids, raise your left hand. Left hand. Where's your left hand? Left, left. Right. Right hand, right. Both hands up. And then shake, shake, shake. And the next, cover your eyes. Cover, no picking. And listen pa kay Ate Jazz. At kapag sinabi ko na Ate Jazz, na Max Troubleshooting starts, doon nyo lamang po sasuotin at doon nyo lamang po hahanapin at sasuotin ang inyong mga sapatos. Pero bago yan, meron tayong magic password. Ang ating magic password is...
Happy birthday, Toby! Ano nga po ulit ang ating magic password?